Pork loin shish kebab time. I love to grill. Good evening, YouTube. So I have me some shish kebabs. Yes. We're gonna do some shish kebabs. So I have some meat already seasoned for my shish kebabs. Some marination going on here. And I have some white onions and mushrooms and bell pepper and pork loin. I'm gonna put some red onions on there. I love red onions. Something about those red onions that I love so much about. Yep. There's nothing like red onions. Here's my bamboo stick. There could never be too many vegetables on your shish kebab. Is there a certain way you guys cut your red peppers for your shish kebab? I would like to know. And is there a particular mushroom you guys like to use for your shish kebabs? Because, honey, some of these mushrooms are very delicate. Split right in half. I would definitely like to know. Have you ever had pork shish kebabs? Do you preferably do steak, beef? I haven't had a fish kebab yet. I haven't had a fish kebab yet. That should be fun. Nice piece of meat on here, yummy. I like the colors that the bell peppers bring. You have the red sweet bell pepper, and I have the green onion. Yes. Can't put too much meat on here, you know. When you're serving some people, child, you want to make that meat stretch. But I think two will do. It's just and creative. I love it. All right, guys. So it's time to put my shish kebabs on the little grill that I have. Let's see how this turns out. Let's see what we have here. I think that's enough for now. Maybe I have room for one more. Let's see how this lays out. Am I supposed to put foil first for the shish kebabs, or you think this is okay? Let me know with some better grilling tips that I could use. But here they are. And here's nice and grilled, juicy. You see that flavor on them? Yes. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Bye-bye.